Quarantine you all. So right from the airport, they take you all to either the hotels to quarantine you and then test you for the virus, whether you have it or not. And there are some people that have been quarantined and are complaining.
We are currently at
Kempinski Hotel.
Yes, and are taking the mandatory quarantine from the government.
14 days.
14 days.
I just wanted to talk about my 2-week experience in quarantine. I just got to Ghana, actually still in quarantine.
Where are you going? I'm going to quarantine myself.
You are going where?
Simple English, do you understand? Quarantine myself. Myself.
Look at yourself. Sir, I'm going to quarantine. Quarantine. It's not quarantine.
Quarantine.
Hey!
Oh, now a whole professor meeting all collecting here. Where's so a problem? Huh? Quarantine. Am I wrong?
Quarantine.
Again.
Quarantine.
Quarantine.
Again.
Or quarantine.
Again.
Quarantine.
Quarantine.
Again.
Quarantine.
Quarantine. Quarantine.
Again.
Quarantine.
Quarantine.
Again.
Quarantine.
In my humble opinion,
It's not quarantine, but what? Listen, quarantine. Quarantine. Now, let me throw more light on this. You see, just like many words beginning with QUA, it is not qua, but ko. Then the RAN is run, and not how you pronounce it. And more importantly, the last syllable is not time. At least, it's not the same small town that decided Ghana's 2012 presidential elections by way of a runoff, you recall, right? Yes. But it's what teen, as in the last syllable of this word, routine, right? So it is quarantine and not quarantine. Quarantine and not quarantine. As you commonly hear, especially here in Ghana, my motherland. So let's get it right. Is quarantine, 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 and not quarantine. No, don't open your mouth that wide, please. Hey, it's the Queen's language. Once again, remember.